Yes, so my people, go watch this video together. You see this place where they show you so. Here na Hamburg police station. You see the way everybody just dey go, just dey do their things, dey go, some dey go, they go come. You see wetin government do for their own people. See this place so you fit from here, people fit from here today so go Switzerland, people fit from here today go Austria, go different place, go Holland. People fit from here go Munich, Berlin, go different place for inside Germany because everywhere all dis railway dey connect to all dis European country and also inside the countryside, you understand. You see all those ones, so those red ones, so those ones are inside for the inside city. Those ones na dey carry people for inside city wey be say you wan just waka for the city like the way Benin be na you say okay you wan go you wan go all dis Kobai, you wan go Unibe on those side, so na all these red ones so na dem dey do all those things. So all these ones so like this one wey you dey see so you fit from here go you fit from here go anywhere, go another city, another state entirely, you understand. Na oyibo do all these ones for that. Here now you know say bus because of one passenger, bus go just match brake, no carry one passenger because of that one na something go just happen, 5 people go kpai, 10 people go kpai because you wan carry one passenger. Because all those things no dey happen even if the bus no wan work, na still government bus and no be all those small small one wey be say you dey see for our city wey be say e go full road. Our government fit even do wetin big pass all those ones. See wetin I wan show you for this train now. You see as this train dey here now, this one for inside the city, for the city train na im be this one. So you see how many people dey inside this train, whether na one person dey or na 2 people na 3 people, this train go move if the time reach, nothing go stop am if e na maybe 10 people dey inside.